स्टूडेंट्स भी हो और यूथ हो, ट्रांसजेंडर जो जनजाति भी है, शेड्यूल कास्ट, ओबीसी, माइनॉरिटी एम्प्लॉइज, उसके बाद पेंशनर, पब्लिक, सबको दिमाग में रखते हुए ये बजट पेश। द बजट हैज बीन एलोकेटेड ओवर रुपीज 1726.23 करोड़ फॉर हेल्थ सेक्टर। सिर्फ ये भी खाली यही नहीं है, द बजट हैज बीन एलोकेटेड ओवर रुपीज 1721.94 crore for agri and allied state agriculture research station Urundutinagar will be established with project cost of rupees 10 crore. 8 new agri development research centers will be constructed during 2024-25 with financial involvement of 23.71 crore. A center of excellence on citrus under the Indo-Dutch project in Toidu and project cost of rupees 9.17 crores, and a center of excellence on flowers under the Indo-Israel action plan at Lembuchora with a project cost of rupees 10 crore have been planned in the state for scientific cultivation of fruits, vegetables and flowers and supply of best quality planting materials. Not only that, 4 PC culture knowledge centers and 1 state fishery awareness centers will be set up by rupees 17.13 crore. New buildings for 21 secondary schools will be constructed under RIDF funding rupees 123.78 crore. 200 bedded multi-care health unit will be constructed at Agartala Government Medical College and GBP Hospital Complex, Agartala, at the cost of rupees 192 crore under Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeastern region, that is PM Divine. Setting up of 2 Shakti Sadan under Mission Shakti of Government of India at Matabari and Teliamura for destitute women, वो भी इस बजट में रखा है और उसमें जो अमाउंट रखा है 10.62 करोड़. 50 smoke houses for processing of rubber sheets will be continued at various tribal dominated area, rupees 37.50 crore. 11 50-seated ST girls hostel and 10 50-seated ST boys girl hostels will be constructed at rupees 76.65 crore. Infrastructure development of Tirthamukh Mela ground will be taken up at rupees 15.11 crore. And state government will provide a total amount of rupees 698.68 crore to TTADC. This amount is over and above the fund to be transferred from share of taxes under 5th State Finance Commission for Village Council under TTADC area. Besides, state government is allocating 39.93% of total development allocation for welfare of Janjati brothers and sisters. During 2024-25, the state government will provide new vehicles to all BDOs at rupees 7.40 crore. Construction of quarters of all BDOs, then additional BDOs and additional DMs in all locations where there is no quarter at present. State government is giving emphasis, and thereafter land will be given on lease for different uses. Private land in the vicinity, such government land if required, will also be purchased and developed along with government land at rupees 10 crore initially they have allocated. 285 km of road will be taken, covering all 60 assemblies constituencies for new construction or redevelopment of 30 km road in each of the assembly constituencies.